Apple fans waiting for new Macs might want to hold off their excitement, because the company has quietly confirmed some disappointing news. During Apple's recent earnings call, CFO Kevin Perek hinted that no new Mac launches are coming for the rest of 2025. He said Apple expects a very difficult compare against last year's strong lineup, which included the M4 MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, and iMac. In simple words, Apple doesn't plan to release any more Macs this year, which means the lineup will remain mostly unchanged until 2026. So far in 2025, Apple has only launched one Mac, the entry-level 14-inch MacBook Pro with the new M5 chip. However, there's no M5 Pro or M5 Max version yet, and both the Mac Mini and iMac didn't get any upgrades either. Reports suggest that Apple is saving those updates for 2026. Even CEO Tim Cook avoided mentioning any new Mac hardware, instead focusing on services and AI improvements like Apple Intelligence and macOS Tahoe updates. According to Fixed Focus Digital, the company's next big wave of Mac releases will start early next year. The upgraded 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models with M5 Pro and M5 Max chips are expected around March 2026. They'll likely offer up to 40 GPU cores, better AI performance, and start at around $1,999 for the 14-inch version and $2,499 for the 16-inch. Next up will be the M5 MacBook Air, which is rumored for spring 2026, likely between April and June. It should have a slightly faster 3nm chip, improved battery life of over 18 hours, and Wi-Fi 7 support. Prices are expected to start at $999 for the 13-inch and $1,299 for the 15-inch model. The M5 Mac Mini and M5 iMac are also on the 2026 list, expected between Q1 and Q3 with improved base specs and better thermals. For professionals, the Mac Studio and Mac Pro refreshes are planned for mid to late 2026. The new Mac Studio is expected around July 2026 with M5 Pro, Max, and possibly Ultra options starting at $1,999, while the Mac Pro with the M5 Ultra chip could launch by the end of 2026, starting at $6,999. There's also talk of a low-cost MacBook with an A18 or A19 Pro chip, similar to those used in iPhones, expected in early 2026. This model could start at $599 and be targeted at students and budget buyers. According to reports from CNBC and Seeking Alpha, Apple's decision to delay new Macs mainly comes down to production and strategy. The higher-end M5 chips faced manufacturing delays due to architectural changes, while Apple is shifting focus to AI features and software improvements instead of new hardware this holiday season. So, for anyone hoping to buy a new Mac this year, the wait continues. The real upgrades, from the M5 Pro MacBook Pro to the new iMac, won't arrive until 2026. Until then, Apple fans will have to stick with the current M4 lineup, or wait for what's shaping up to be a packed Mac year ahead.